Hi everybody. Sorry my voice sounds horrible. I'm getting over a cold, so hopefully I'll sound better in the next couple of days. But today is day 8 of this countdown. Today I decided to make a Christmas stocking. So this is the example. And this is what I made. See right here, Christmas stocking. It was really cute and it works up pretty quickly, and the pattern is easy. You don't really have to follow it word for word. As the person created it will let you know if you watch her video. So yeah, so it was really cute. Today's movie suggestion I have is Christmas Everlasting. It's actually about a woman who goes back to her hometown after her sister passes. It's a heartwarming movie. And my song suggestion for the day is Silent Night by the Temptations, which is probably one of my favorite Christmas songs. And it makes me think of Christmas every time I hear it. Like, the whole song is just beautiful. So let's start with the box today, the advent calendar. Let's see. So for day 8. Okay. Oh, this box is cute. It's a little Christmas tree. So that's the box for day 8. Let's see what we got. So this is what was in the box. It's a flower. And I'll read the description. I think I know what it is, but I'll read the description. It is, yep, a printed embroidery fabric with a beautiful flower for yourself to unleash your creativity with the Pony Certain Stitch needles. So that's this. And okay, we have that. And then for the candy, let's see, day 8. It's right here. And see if we get an egg or a different shape. We got an egg. All right. So I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope you enjoy these videos. Bye.